I'm going to show you how to use PNGs and graphics in your album designs, card designs, magazines, etc. I'm going to show you in the album design module, but it works exactly the same in all of the other modules. Once you're in Fundy Designer and you have a project open, you'll notice that you have access to all of your images down here at the bottom, but there are two more icons. This one will give you access to repeating patterns, and this one will give you access to your PNGs. If you've downloaded some design sets, you'll have access to all of those PNGs in the design sets, and you can add your own. When you click Add Photos, just choose any PNG and import it. And you'll notice that instead of going into your images image well, it will go into the PNG image well, probably at the very end if it's a newer file. And you can just drag that in there. PNGs are always stored forever in your project, even if you've imported in one project and we make them available in all of the other projects, because usually you want to reuse them. So a great thing to do is to bring in multiple versions of your logo, so you can add your logo to the back of all your albums, so it's wall art, etc. Or you can have a repository of all of your PNG designs that you use, so you can reuse florals, etc. in your albums, cards, and wall art.